Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create a cool transitions by only using the free effects and also animation on CapCut. So first, just add your clip and then add your clips and then click on the first clip. Go to animation, click on the combo, then select the zoom 1 animation. Okay, this one. Click on a check icon and now click on the transition box. Click on camera and then select the pull in transition. Click on apply to all. Click on a check icon and now go to the video effect. Click on the lens category and then select the blur effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the blur to 20. Click on a check icon and put the effect in between the clips. Okay. So next, just copy the effect and put it for the next clip. But if you have more than 3 clips like I did, you can just repeat all the steps for all of your clips. And after that, you'll be done. And here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.